Okay, so for so one method for the class dojo thing that we could do, so we could do so when you look at the spreadsheet, right? Maybe like for example, a teacher could copy, you know, like all of their raw data like this, right? So all of their students and then all of their scores, something like this. So I just made up like a bunch of scores and stuff like that. So they just copy and paste onto this one Excel file, right? And so let's suppose so one teacher copied here, the next teacher pasted over here, the next teacher just pastes over here, and so on, right? So everybody just pastes um, all of their students, right? So it's all in like random order, and then like all their scores are presumably in some random order, right? So I guess what we would do is we would take this, so we would copy it, or I guess no. First, what we would do is we would arrange it. So we would arrange it in terms of alphabetical order. So we could do sort by column A to Z. So once they paste it, then this is what we could do. So their job could be like just pasting everything. They just copy and paste like in this basically random order. So you go like this, and then we arrange it in like the alphabetical order, like by just pushing by copying by going like this and then pushing that button. So once we have this, so what we could do is we could paste this, use this formula that I have over here. So this would be number 12. All right. So I think for it to work, I can't get it to work if it's just starts right at the top. So we just add like, I think we started at number 12, I think. All right, so if it starts at number 12, then over here, I paste this formula. So I think it should work. I think I paste this formula over here. All right. And then, so what we do is we just take it and we drag it like this. We just drag it however long we need to drag it and go like this. I guess it brought the formatting with it. But so basically what it does is just like at the last of their name, like the last of Afia's name, it adds up hers. The last of Aaliyah's, it adds up hers. Last of Amira's, last of Anika's, it adds up hers. Something like that. So we just have all these names, and then we could condition format, I guess it brought the conditional format with it. Like we could put, like if it's greater than, if it's greater than 30 or something like that, then it highlights it as red. So our job, we copy and paste that formula and then drag it all the way down. And then we do the conditional formula here. So the conditional formula here, we just like click over here somewhere and put in conditional formula. A1 to a all right, something like that. So now we have like, okay, Afia's is 16, Aliyah's 30, Amira. So this can make it like a little bit easier. We just have highlighted and then we go across. So we have each person's total. So I think there's like a couple of steps involved that could make it a little bit easier. And then we just highlight. So if we just want to know who made it, okay, Aliyah made it, Anika made it, Zara made it, something like that.